Hey guys, welcome back to our channel today. Thanks to all our viewers and our subscriber. Let's get into the video.
Is it this one?
So Robs,
Yeah.
I have a friend here and she look after the man good, she take care of the man good and everything, but she just still have problem with the man, like the man that cheat. So I want to ask you a question.
Yeah.
Why man cheat on good one?
Oh, there are various reasons. The man thinks the woman sometimes might think the woman is too good and is not going to do anything if he cheats. And maybe actually the woman is too good like that. So the man knows that. That's one reason.
So you're trying to tell me say some man don't appreciate good woman?
Yeah.
Or they feel like they're too sure of the woman or something?
Yeah. Or they feel they are too hot or too young or too good for that woman. That's another reason. The third reason is the background where the cheating man comes from. If they come from a background of cheaters, they see it as an achievement to have various baby mother. They see it as cultural title, cultural achievement, what is normal. Then he will go around and be cheating in order to be able to belong. Yeah. Those are the three main reasons. Another one depends on also the society where they live. If it is a society where women look for married men to sleep with as a trophy, yeah, he will be cheating without him wanting to cheat, or just wanting to blend to the community. Yeah. Another one is if the man is too young, he doesn't have much experience in this world. He was just growing up, and then he find himself in a situation of a wife and family, and then he think he have never yet explored the world. That's another reason.
Yeah, but sometimes I'm not really the young man. Sometimes the older man them a cheat too.
Yeah.
Sometimes the older man them these days a cheat more than the young people to backside.
Yeah,
I feel like them a cheat because they want to still feel like they're in their prime or something.
Yeah.
Like it give them a pause.
Older men cheating is not very common, but
Not very common, not go so. They cheat more.
Older men?
Yes.
If older men are cheating,
Once they reach 40 and so, it's like the woman where they live with for a long time. It's like they don't see value in a woman no more. So they want fresh meat. They want it like 20-year-old, 21-year-old. Yeah.
There must be something that is not going well in his family with his wife. If he's matured, older and cheating, there must be some secrets that they need to address.
Not really. They just do it because they get tired of their wife and they feel their wife not young and fresh no more. So they feel like dating a young girl I go keep them younger, keep them more fitter and stuff like that.
If he feels his wife is not fresh and young no more, then that is the secret. Maybe the wife is not maintaining freshness, and then that will be the secret. Because in everything there is maintenance and there is formulas. Maybe the wife is actually cold, yeah, maybe quinting is not happening as it's supposed to happen, and maybe the man is getting the younger people that have natural quinting. Me and you know what quinting is all about.
I don't know what you're talking about quinting.
You can't quit.
Yeah.
When they're tired.
They hear my mom in the background, so they can't quint again. But my mom, what you know about quint? What kind of quint you know what I talk about?
You're just young, you don't know what name
I remember one name quinting.
Quinting is quinting. If you know, you know. You don't know, you don't know.
You like the quinting, innit?
Of course. And quinting have to go on other times, not only when action is taking place.
Quinty bad them.
My mother, if I laugh, I dead.
So you
Remember,
see,
you go to school and you learn, man.
of course,
You learn. You
Yes.
must happy see you have one.
of course, some Jamaican people, Jamaican is ahead of us. Of course, we have to admit it. You guys are like refined species of black race, and then it's nothing bad in learning. Life is a continuous learning process.
When I talk about Quint, so you said a lot of them not Quint it no more, so that's why.
Of course.
That's why
And
them man.
of course, and that is the secret. There is always a reason why a matured man is going to cheat outside. There is always a deep reason. Yeah, the wife might not know because they might not have good communication. And what causes lack of communication is attitude. When you communicate, you are misunderstood. And then you shun yourself. You shrink. You don't communicate because whenever you try to communicate, it leads to trouble. Then the man won't communicate to avoid trouble. But the secret lies in that communication. If you're open, and then the man will tell you, look, if you don't quint, you know, it looks slack or this or that. And then it comes to that what you said, the man wants older, a new and fresher. While that woman could be that fresher and better, but only she doesn't know. You see? So that is it. It's only younger people.
No, you see that?
Yeah,
No?
it's only younger people that cheat.
You
She's
hear my
only good
mother?
wife.
You hear mommy? And she depend on the talk about Quint.
Yeah.
You look like you used to Quint enough back in a few days, not true?
Quinty bad them.
I'm telling you, Jamaican elderly people are not easy at all. But what make you can't think say I grow, then grow, the man grow out of love? Like he be
Yeah.
together with the person too long.
Yes.
Like
That is
you
part
know,
of it.
they grow out of love the more, the
Yeah.
affection, the that, the more or whatever.
Growing out of love
I think so.
is because of changes in character.
Oh.
Yes, changes in character. That change in character includes the woman giving up, like not trying to be attractive or to be nice like before. That is change in character. That can be classified as change in character. You know, the woman not, just letting everything go like that. Or being more either being too soft for the man that doesn't need soft, or being too harsh for the man that doesn't need harsh. So all those things are changing character. That thing makes the man grow out of the love. Yes, because love grows and love dies, and love is maintained, and love could be neglected. If you neglect anything, the thing dies.
Okay. So you know how long may you talk now? Is your love growing or it die?
My love to you grows every day because we are helping it. We are putting like sand covering the roots and watering it all the time. And there is improvement.
They said there's room for improvement.
There is improvement. There is improvement in our love. Yes, it's growing. I do not expect it to change overnight. If it does change overnight, you're gonna die quick. So it goes slowly, little by little.
So you think I made up on track?
Yeah. You're up on track, and you're better on track when you don't have pregnancy hormone. Yeah. The love is growing.
Well, so that's your reason you think I make a lot of man a cheat. But you don't think some people if try to work out them relationship more than don't know. Not easy.
You see, one thing I didn't mention is working condition, but it's including environment that I said before. Where you work, who you work with, your working schedule, all these things contribute to cheating or not cheating.
Yeah.
If you're working in a restaurant or bar or club or it depends on who you're working with and how your works are being scheduled. If you have a driver that just goes deliver load to warehouse, comes back, doesn't see anybody, there is impossibility of cheating. And then if you have someone that is a care worker that sleeps with other care workers overnight in a care place where people mingle, see each other together, before you know it, they start developing personal relations with their co-workers.
And see a truth attack, some of them still because I remember when I used to do care job.
Yeah.
Married man, yeah?
Yeah.
I try come on to me and I chat me up and I talk outside than this, Especially if they think say you're single. Or you're in no serious relationship. But true you talk. Yeah. Then try to approach me enough time. Remember me used to tell you?
Yeah. I even know it. I know it even before coming to this England. I know it. And when I came, my friend was doing that job. I have a lot of friends doing care work, sleepover, this, that. And I know because who you see more often, before you know it, you start developing a kind of personal attachment to the person because you see the person more often. And you see the person always in a kind of a home environment, not like in not in a harsh environment like a construction site where you don't have much time to talk. You only cover your ears for noise and go eat and then come back to work again and it's time to go home. No, this one you are inside a confined space, inside a suitable house, warm, coffee, tea with that person, and then sit down and talk. The body chemicals is being inhaled by both, and you see the person so often and often and often. You have time to talk story together, to ask some questions. Before you know it, you start, developing some kind of attraction to one another.
But as you talk about the work side of it still affect people to where them partner do work, where them not come home, see them for 1 week, see them for 2 months. What about those people who do them the kind of job there? Yeah, if you have good woman, if you don't have good woman, yeah, that can lead up to cheating too,
Yeah. That is true.
So that affects a lot of people and even family life too.
Yeah.
So
that is true, but it all depends on modernization, economic level, and careers. That's why some people fall from high-ranking grace to just grass. Because some people are highly respected. They hold the government of a country. They are very highly respected individuals. But their work have to involve traveling, not being at home most of the times. And before you know it, they lack something, intimacy somewhere, and it brings them down.
So next thing we want to say, one time that person are growing and a cheat and do all these things. Why difference? Woman and woman, the same thing where that woman have, the same thing the one where they won't have as well.
It's the same thing.
Why sense?
Yeah, it's the same thing, but the difference is there. The difference is that the cheating one, the woman that he's cheating with, is always out to give him that thing he wants without other hindrances, without other side
simple mean that person intention of take him over completely.
Either that, or since the reason of the meeting, the encuentro, since the reason for the coming together is for one thing, and once they are together they get that thing, it's not hard for either the man or the woman, then it becomes more frequent. While the why the wife or someone that is being cheated on, when he's home, for instance, he doesn't just get what he wants immediately. You see? For instance, if you're cheating on someone, the person knows that you're coming for this. Once you're there, you get it.
Start the early preparation.
Yeah.
Spread up the bed, make the place smell
Because,
nice.
yeah, because
bathe,
everybody
shower.
already knows the aim of meeting. You know, everyone already have it in the back of their mind. You know, while if you're the other one you're cheating on doesn't have that in her mind, you have other things.
Too busy home, I look after home, I look after children.
Yeah,
You know, I pray for you too. The depend in there, I pray for you prosper.
Yeah.
Everything while you're busy out there, make different plans, and that the woman they are cheat with now just did a busy think plan out everywhere how we can take you over completely.
But another thing is that some cheating men, most men cheat without affection. They might just cheat for satisfaction, not affection. These two words end up in shun, but they are different.
I know, yeah, a lot of me feel like a lot of men going there cheating for no affection, but the person
satisfaction and that's all.
Yes, but the person where you go to cheat, where you're cheating with, don't have that in their mind. You know that person I look.
You take over.
Yes, so you don't know whether the woman they're trying to do now. Good like you have sort of something for you, know, control you and stuff like that. Then you find yourself start go back home and beat up your wife. You know,
change your character
and all of these
little
things.
by little.
Then eventually you find yourself moving with the other person.
Yeah.
And even sometimes some of them people forget about them picnic where they love so much.
Yeah.
You know, until long down the road, when all the spell and all these things break, they come back to their senses when it's too late.
Yeah.
So I believe a lot of men not really going to hit fist here. But the woman have better plan for them.
Yeah.
Because, you know, say woman are Delilah.
Yeah.
That's why they say we are Delilah, you know. I mean, that should become a woman, so yeah.
Women have more in-depth reasons and secrets, you know. Yeah, they can keep secrets more than men.
That's true.
Even longer secret they can keep it, even for life, you know. And
they cheat better than man too.
Yeah.
You didn't know say woman cheat better than man?
Even more than men, right?
I said better.
Explain.
Because a woman cannot cheat and you can never know.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
That's why me here still come. I not really cheat. I'm not a cheater. Me a one woman. Why you call it one woman man?
One burner.
Me a one burner. So me stay. Once me talk to somebody, that I hit because I don't like people disrespecting the person that I am talking to. And I like them something there. I don't play them game there.
Traffic alert. F1 traffic disruption. Slow down your speed to 50 kilometers per hour.
Yes, guys, it's just a small video. It's night now. It's not even night, you know, guys. If I told you it's just 4 o'clock in the UK, you wouldn't believe me. See outside. It's night already. We're just going somewhere, so.
It's like 16:30.
16:30, yeah, just 4:30. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel.